Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Home Entrepreneur. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can quickly make money using Shopify. Okay, and I'm also going to give you some Shopify store examples. So let's jump into it. So right here, I'm on Shopify. A lot of you guys that are new, or even some people that have been in this for a while, I haven't been doing this for like years. I've been doing this for a few months and been making a decent amount of money. Well, I just kind of stumbled upon this not too long ago. I wanted to show you something. So at the very bottom of Shopify, go to shopify.com. At the very bottom, there's this button under support that says websites for sale. You click on it. You come here, exchange.shopify.com, where people are selling their sites. Some of these could be profitable, some maybe not. So you go up here to categories and click on drop shipping. It will bring you to this. So if you want to make money quickly and you don't have the time to set up your own drop shipping store, you can simply buy one. Okay, $50, $99. Let's see, let's pick one. Let's find one that looks decent. Let's click on this one. Okay, let's click on this one. Let's view the details of that one. Let's see, let's go and open it up. Okay, $100. Okay, this store is popular. 37 buyers have already contacted the seller, so the price is probably be a little bit higher than that. So this one right here, free shipping on all orders above $10. Okay, decent looking site. Okay, pretty clean. Down here has a lot of stuff on sale. Sold out. Happy customers. Decent site, right? All right. So if you can get this site for $100, you're already ahead of the game. You don't have to spend 2, 3, maybe a week or two to fix this site up exactly how you want it. It's done. Okay. So if you want to make money fast on Shopify, first, just go and buy a website. Okay. That's one tip I have for you. Just buy a website. Just buy one that's already done. All you got to do is start running traffic to it, placing your orders. You're good to go. Right? Okay. So the next thing, I want to show you some actual store examples. Okay. Let's just go pets, because pets is, for most people, is the most common niche that they go into. Why? Because everybody talks about it. People love their pets. There's always pet, gear, accessories, items out there to sell, to drop ship. So if you want to make money with Shopify, let me first tell you something. Okay, so when you come here, the first thing you need to understand is this right here is total revenue. Okay, all this down here is total revenue. Why is this important? Because this person says they had 18,000 visitors to their site and only made $3,700. That's not very good. This person had 500, made about $200. That's a lot better. So honestly, this site right here is better than this site in my opinion. Why? Because it takes make about, let's say, about 50 cents a visitor here. Down here, you're making what, 20 cents a visitor, something like that. So you're not making as much. Okay, so this site would be better than this site in my opinion, just based off that number. But let's say you come here because you just want ideas. Okay, so let's say you just want ideas. That's it. Because some of these sites are not. Now you can click on this one. It looks like they have a picture right here. Okay, total sales, total online store visits, not bad. I'd want to know, and before you buy anything, I'd want to make sure where are the visitors coming from, how much did they spend on advertising. Okay, whether it's shout outs, whether they're using influencers, maybe they're using Facebook ads, whatever it is, how are they doing it and how much is it costing? Because you need to take that off of the total sales. Okay, then you need to figure out, okay, those are total sales. You took off this much for all your ads, but what did it cost you to buy the inventory? You need to figure that out too, because that comes off this as well. So just because they're selling for $690, they might have lost money. They could be at break even right here. So that's another thing you need to understand and they need to keep in mind, that sometimes it's just not worth it. So one thing that I would do is right here when it says total revenue. Okay, what I would do is, I don't want something that's making between $0 and $500, because I could do that, within a couple hours on day one. Making between 500 and 5,000. That's probably where the majority is, and you can see right here, 32 sites. That's probably where the majority of sites are at, because it's a little bit more than just decent sales, or a little bit more than just a sale here and there. It's more consistent sales. But what I would do is I'd look for something between 5 and 50,000 or 50,000 and 500,000. So we'll just click on that, because these are the sites that they are proven that they're going to work. Okay. People keep on running more and more ads to these sites, pushing traffic because they know it's converting. And you can come here. This one, 1.41K, made that much. I have a hard time believing that. Only 1,000. With only 1,000 visitors, made 364,000. I have a really hard time believing that one, but oh well. This one, 129,000, made 86,000. This one, 70,000, made 95,000. Again, this one is going to be better because it's in the pet niche than this one over here that looks like it's going to be sunglasses, maybe some type of accessory. So again, it is what it is. Okay, 448,000 made 312, 127 made 54, 180 made 127. So what I would do, let's say I'm coming to this one. Let's click on it. View what this one looks like. The reason why I say come and look at these, okay, if you want to make money here on Shopify, do drop shipping. What I'd recommend is find a site that you like that has a great layout, has a great theme, and don't copy it exactly. But look how clean this one is. Okay, look at this. I'm pretty sure this one's just using the Brooklyn theme right here. Looks like a free theme to me. But even if they're using the Brooklyn theme, okay, you got the little pop-up down here in the corner. Shop now. Okay, another pop-up. Harnesses, bandanas, gadgets, toys. Click on toys. They have their toys. Okay. Save $8. Okay. So everything looks like it's, well, not everything's 50% off, but it is. So you go that, look at that. Okay. Very clean. Nice pictures. You know what it is. No guessing. Okay. You message the store owner. Free shipping today. Let's click on items. Click on that one. You can add to cart. Do they have a countdown? No countdown. No reviews. Yeah. So it's not a bad site. Okay. But this is just what I want you to look at, because it doesn't take somebody, have some special skills, have, be just the best at creating stores. Honestly, just come and look at what other people are doing. That's all you have to do. Doggone it. Toy deals, maybe? I don't know. Let's come look at this one. Okay. And you can read, their description about it. Let's see. All offers will be considered. However, the earliest offers have priority, even if they may be lower. So don't wait. Please contact me ASAP. Include Shopify account, Facebook account with 2.3 thousand likes. Facebook ad account includes all images. Okay. Pinterest account currently blank. Twitter account currently blank. Domain, logo, and brand assets. Total revenue in the last 11 months, 15,000. There was a spike here. Why was there a spike in July? Why was there not? Look, 0 sales, negative. Okay, why was this spike here? What happened here? That's what I want to know. What happened here and what happened to this? Because November and December, 0 and 119 in the biggest months of the year. Okay, Christmas time, holiday shopping season. Why are those like that? Traffic. Okay, again, same thing. Why? What's going on here? Okay, those are a few things. Newsletter list, 1,600 subscribers. Hopefully the whole list is available. MailChimp. Okay, store images. So yeah, so just come in here and start looking around. Okay, if you want to be successful on Shopify, you want to start making money, you want to do drop shipping, there's 2 things I recommend. Okay, first one is to come and look at the websites for sale. The second thing, come to categories and go to drop shipping. Okay, that's gonna give you an idea of kind of what people are doing, but also just come right into the exchange and just find some sites. Just because they're not doing drop shipping doesn't mean you can't emulate the exact same, the theme, their layout, all that stuff. Okay, you sell similar items, sell some of the same items. Whatever you have to do, get started. Okay, so if you want to start a Shopify store, I'd highly recommend it. You can make some great money, but what most people don't tell you is how much they're making profit. Everyone says, and you can see it here, revenue 733, revenue 2,000, revenue 5,600, revenue 1,000, revenue 1,200. Well, what if their ads, their shout outs, all the costs involved in it, what if it cost them $1,500? Well, they just lost 300. What if it cost them 15, and them 15, and them 15, and them 15? Honestly, this would be the best one. If you spent $1,500 on ads, okay, and you're making 5,000, then you just gotta subtract your cost for the goods, and so that will become a little more clear. Okay, so I'm not gonna make this video go any longer. I think you get the point. If you want to start making money with Shopify in 2018, come look to see who's making money. Look to see who's getting traffic. Look to see what they're doing. Okay, and you don't just gotta go pets. Let's say you go to I don't know, sports and recreational. Let's look there. Okay, say we come here and let's find a site. Shop paddle sports. Okay, let's just go with that. I know there's not a whole lot of revenue there, but let's just look at this one. Okay, that's all we're doing. That's all you have to do. Once you find a site, a theme, a layout, products that work, that will sell, and you can go and figure out and optimize based on who your target market is, how much they're willing to spend, how much their average spend is, the average sale. If you know all that stuff going in, it makes it so much easier to make a quality site. This one I wouldn't say is quality. I'd say this one's kind of crap, but that's just my take on it. But just come find a site that you like the layout of. Okay, something. Let's look at this one. Let's look at this one really quick before I get off. So this one right here. Okay, so affordable cycling sports. Okay, cool. So they got all these bikes. If you want to make money with Shopify, you do drop shipping. If you sell stuff in $4,000, $2,000, $500, $1,300 range, you're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money than some of the people that are selling, and you're gonna do less work than some of the people selling these $6 handle bell ringers. Okay, so little tip for you guys. But anyway, there you go. If you guys want to know, if you guys have any questions on it, just let me know. But again, like I said before on my last Shopify video, I'm not a Shopify expert. I'm no guru on this. I'm still learning as I'm going. But at the same time, being that I'm learning as I'm going along, and I'm kind of explaining to you guys what I'm learning, what I'm kind of going through, this is one of the things I came across. That look at these websites. I was using another site, and it was very confusing. So I came here and just noticed this, and I thought, let me give it a shot. And I actually started putting together another website. It's almost ready to launch. I'm still trying to get all the influencers lined up. Once I do that, I will start doing Facebook ads as well. But I'm kind of building up to that. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. But if you want to start making money with Shopify in 2018, look to see what people are doing. Look at the websites, see what's working, what's not working, and kind of copy the people that are doing it and are being successful, and don't copy the ones that are making no money. That simple. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know what your questions are. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button if you want more videos on Shopify, making money with Shopify, and just the things that I'm learning along the way. And also click that subscribe button and also that notification bell. Subscribe today and you won't miss any more of my videos.